So one of the things that we've released recently is the enhancement to our custom fields solution, whereby the admin can not only create a virtually unlimited number of custom fields and use them throughout the system, but also define their own calculations and use those throughout the system. And really the problem we were solving for was, for lack of this type of feature, any such calculations that you needed that were not natively supported in the platform would then need to be done outside of the system. So you'd have to worry about exporting data from the system, running calculations outside, and then perhaps getting the results back in via APIs, or maybe even worse, manually entered, perhaps into custom fields. But there's a timing problem there. Of course, anytime you're running calculations outside the system, there's also the potential that that's error prone, especially if someone is manually entering things back in, because you don't necessarily know when the base data changed and then when you need to update the calculations, et cetera. So with this, you're able to define your own calculations. You can even test them within the custom field admin UI or screens itself before even deploying it or even releasing your draft of the changes for production use. And we also preload this with a bunch of system-defined formulas that, or calculation types, I should say, that really, if you're used to working in spreadsheets or things of that nature, many of the calculations you'll be, or types of calculations you'll be familiar with from those spaces. So just to make it as easy as we possibly can to get those calcs into the system, we have a bunch of different, say, templated formulas that you can use within this solution.